This exercise is going to load the side of your neck, so it can be pretty intense. If this exercise causes pain or any sort of pinching or discomfort, it just might be to progress, and you might need to regress to something like an iso hold instead of the dynamic component. So I'm going to show you a couple different levels and ways to make this a little bit more challenging. So I'll start with a little bit easier position and version of this exercise. You're going to use a bench or something that you can comfortably place your head on. And you're going to kind of line your body up like you would a side plank. Then from here, you're just going to kind of get your shoulder up towards the ceiling by pressing your head into the bench as much as you can. From here, you should kind of think about bringing that bottom ear towards your shoulder. Not shoulder to ear, but ear to shoulder, and you'll feel more muscles working here. Then you can slowly think about dropping in towards the ground by slowly bringing your ear away from your shoulder. This will load this side. If you feel pinching on this side, we don't want to go that low, so maybe you can only do the top little range of motion. These little push-ups in this position will also adequately load your neck, and we should be able to progress deeper as you do this more consistently. But the goal is to get as deep as you can, feel a little bit of a stretch, and then press back up into the push-up again. So this would be the initial movement. A little bit more of a progressed version might be in more of a plank position. I cannot do that, but some people might. So I'm going to show you, but with my elbow down. So for that, might be here, holding and lowering, and then pushing back up. So you can see how I am doing the same movement, but now I am elevated and more of my body weight is in my neck. So the concept is to do your full range of motion, but using your neck muscles. So we are thinking about bringing ourselves up really high by doing this movement and then controlling the lower by doing this type of movement. And then of course you would do the other side as well. The progressed version is very intense and you might never need to do that to feel good and strong in your neck, but some people might, so I included it in this video. But ultimately, you should not push into any pain or pinching, which is the goal. So if these are too progressed and you're feeling things that are uncomfortable, just start with isometrics instead. But this is a great way to progress your neck loading exercises and really build a lot of resilience and strength in your neck.